Hi, so before we start, I want to let y'all know that we have started membership. We are offering a bunch of different things like members-only videos. In this you will unlock all my popular and viral Discord tutorial videos. Fast replies from me, exclusive badge, and the rest of the perks are in my Discord server like premium quality decors and layouts. We'll give shout out to your Discord server in my YouTube videos. And guess what? This is all at just $2 and $4. So what are you waiting for? Click the join button now, and buy my channel's membership. And make sure to join my Discord server too. Western Digital is hooking you up with a whole month of Nitro starting from August 1st, and I don't know when it's ending since they haven't mentioned it in the article. It's almost like other Nitro where you need to be a new Nitro user and require payment method like credit, debit card or PayPal and blah blah. But wait, you haven't heard about the most useless part yet. What is Western Digital? If you click this link, it will take you to this online store where they sell electronics. Yes, you heard that right. It means you need to buy one of their electronics online to become eligible for free Nitro. The article does not specify the exact electronics or price range of Western Digital products that qualify for the Nitro offer. It only says that the products need to be eligible. But if you want free Nitro, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Nitro news and join my Discord server for Nitro giveaways. Take care and see y'all.